Hello, this is John Baker again with another NX Quick Tip. Today we're going to talk about a new enhancement that we added to NX 10. In the past, you can only wrap and unwrap curves on and off of a cone or a cylinder. In NX 10, we've added the ability to do it with a developable surface. So in this case, what I have here is a surface. I have a datum plane here, which I'm going to turn on. It's already been created tangent to this surface. By the way, this surface is a ruled surface that goes from an arc to an ellipse. A typical type of surface you might find in an aerospace when they're doing the skin of an airframe or something like that. So in this case, what I do is I'm going to go into the curve, and I'm going to go in the wrap unwrap, and I'm going to start by unwrapping the edges of the surface. So I'm going to pick the face edge and pick the face and then the datum plane, and so now I have the curves that represent the surface unwrapped. Now I've got some other geometry that I've created here. I actually created some text, so I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to take that text and I'm going to edit it because I would like it to do is line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up with this edge of this model here and bring the text up. We'll change its shape so that it sort of naturally flows here. Kind of change the size of the text, maybe move it up just a little bit more. And also I'm going to add some offsets around the outside, a double set of offsets. So I put some offset curves here. Now what we have left are just the curves that I'm interested in, and now I'm going to take and reverse what I did a moment ago, and instead of unwrapping, I'm actually going to wrap. So I go back to the function and change it from unwrap to wrap, and now I'm going to select what we call feature curves. So this is each one of these sets of curves is a feature, and I'm going to take it and we're going to put it onto this surface. We're going to use this datum plane as reference. So now the curves are on the surface. So let's hide this geometry now. We don't need to see it anymore, and we can see the geometry on here. Now that's just geometry. It's fine. It's lying on the surface, but we can actually use that geometry to actually make a change here. So I'm going to go into offset the faces. I'm going to pick these regions, two regions here. I'm going to put a value of 3 millimeters and basically offset that one surface 3 millimeters back. And then to make it a little easier to see, let's just come in here and change the color of these two surfaces. Let's use let's say a darker blue, and so now you can see where this letters and the profile here, sort of the edge, has been embossed into the surface. And so again, this is another application. A lot of times you might have a logo or text or something like that you'd like to wrap onto a surface. And starting with NX 10, we have a larger set of surface types that you can use. You're not limited as in the past to just cones and cylinders. Thank you very much.